Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with slime. Okay, so while I'm playing with this slime, I'm going to tell you like a little bit of facts about this slime. Number one, it's when I originally got it, it was really sticky and it stuck to my skin, and then there was like a little line thing across my face, so that was not good. But this is kind of good for making bubbles, but I'm really bad at them, so no, I didn't get a bubble. Right, that was sad. But another thing about this slime is basically I put these little things in here, like these charms. Me and my friend were supposed to divide it, and I accidentally tipped it over, and